Good morning, friends. Well, I woke up this morning with quite a start. I just had this feeling that Bill Goudy was trying to get in touch with me. So I grabbed my phone and checked it, and he hadn't sent a text message. So I hopped over to YouTube, and sure enough, he had posted a little video, and he was rallying the troops. So he had called out to some of his friends to help out another of our fellow friends.
What's that? What's Justin? It's survival mindset. Hello? Bill Goudy checking in. Hey Justin, what's going on? What? Kevin? Kevin's adventures? He needs our help? Alright. Yeah, I will. I'll call the troops together.
So Kevin, over at Kevin's Adventure, has been shipwrecked. That's right, he's out on a desert island. He's been there for quite a while now, you guys. So Bill is trying to get a bunch of us together to go search for him. Well, I've been searching all day, and I think I know where he is. So I'm going to fly my drone here in a minute, check out the area, and if I'm correct, he is not far from here. So we're going to do a little searching, and I thought I'd take you along. Maybe you can help us spot him. Alright, if my calculations are correct, I think I'm on the right path. I don't know. I am lost on land again. I might not be on the right path at all. But, yeah, let's keep searching. Go back in these woods, see what we can find. Huh. A little creek of some sort. Wait a minute, what's that? What is that? What is this? A Coke bottle? There's a note in it. It smells like snails. Yeah, this old Coke bottle washed up from somewhere, and it's got this note in it. Let's see what this note says. Huh. It's been out there for a while. Yep, it's definitely a map of some sort. Hey, I think I know where that is. I think I saw that whenever I was flying my drone earlier. I did. I saw a big red X. I wonder if that's where Kevin is. Yeah, this definitely smells like limpets. It's got to be Kevin. Let's go find him, guys. So Kevin put out a video a couple weeks ago. It's called Shipwrecked. And I'm going to put a link below and probably one up in the corner here. So you can check that out if you want to. But that will explain a lot and why we're hunting for him. It's a great video. And there's also maybe a secret giveaway involved in that video somewhere. So I highly recommend you go check it out. Anyway, on with the hunt. I don't know what I was thinking. I can't go and rescue Kevin and not have any food on me. He has had nothing to eat but snails for 49 days. I better get something cooked real quick in the Dutch oven so I can get that to him. I'm going to cook something up in this fine specimen of a Dutch oven. My beautiful Camp Maid. Thank you, Vicki Van Gogh, for doing that great seasoning job for me. She said she seasoned it 4 times and it should be good to go. And I wish I had something else to bring Kevin. It's November now, and I know after 49 days out there, he's got to be getting cold. He only had 1 little pack of firewood with him, so... If only I had that pack that Survival Mindset's given away. That had some fat wood in it and ways to start a fire. It had all kinds of cool things in it. If only I had that. Go check out Justin's channel over at Survival Mindset and check out that bag. You'll see why I think Kevin needs that very badly right now. I am making use of the little grill they left us. Getting some charcoal going. I'm going to put that Dutch oven on there. Got some yumminess cooking up in there. I'm going to fill up this thermos and take it to Kevin. And that way he'll have a nice hot dinner whenever I find him. I don't think he's too far away according to that map. All this cooking on this Dutch oven and talk of this thermos brings me to another VR. Ryan over at Little Dirt Never Hurt asked for a little kitchen karaoke. Well, I don't have much, but I do know one song from the movie The Jerk. Do you remember it, Laura?
Only a little bit.
Oh, I'm picking out a thermos for you. No ordinary thermos will do. But the extra best thermos you can buy with vinyl and stripes and a cup built right in. That's all we know. Sorry, Ryan, that's the best we can do. On with saving Kevin.
I'm picking out a thermos for you.
There it is. Just look at the goodness. Frugal RV Gal's chicken and rice recipe. Yum. Sure hope Kevin enjoys this. I'm sure he will. Well, it's almost dark, Kevin. We might have to resume the search in the morning. Sorry about that, buddy. It's a good thermos, though. It should keep your food warm. Do you remember the words to the thermos song?
No, I don't, but I can try.
Let's give it a whirl. All this Dutch oven cooking and talking to thermoses reminds me of a song, and this should go well. I can't do this. Gosh, bad acting award ever.